Hello, everyone. I'm Nolan Myers, CEO of WGDP. We're building an end-to-end platform for cities to connect with residents, accelerate growth, and deliver responsive public services. I'm here today to bring you a sprint update for August 25th. It's actually the sprint that ended last Wednesday, but I was on vacation, and so I'm recording my video a couple days after the end of the sprint. So let me dive in. So this sprint, our goal was to hit 679 weekly active users. We wanted to work on some marketing and content alignment and make a few product areas of improvement around marketing, sales, workflow, and some that we, just some enhancements that we didn't know coming in at the time. And we were gonna welcome a new teammate, a new engineer. So how do we do against that goal? The sprint ended, we hit 809 on a goal of 679, so did well on weekly active users, and even hit our goal the week after the sprint ended. In terms of product enhancements, the big area of improvement was sales workflow, where we introduced a task dashboard. I'm actually really excited about this. One of the fundamental use cases around a sales team coordinating their efforts is around tasks and being able to know what they need to do, what users they need to follow up with, making sure that you have a good funnel of people that you're working with who are interested in buying homes. So this is just something that I think really could be a game changer in terms of the sales capability of the platform, and very excited to roll it out. A few enhancements in terms of marketing. We have a user filter list where you can go in and, for instance, here I'm showing that you can see all of the prospective clients who are subscribers to your email list. Well, now straight from that screen, you can go in and create a campaign and say, I want to run a marketing campaign that reaches this group of people. A couple of other enhancements in our marketing areas. You can now see the number of comments on a discussion thread or a post, which makes it much more inviting to go in and see what people are talking about, and some UI improvements around the campaign analytics and tracking tool. And then a couple other areas of product improvement as well. Working on, we have now notification preferences, which I think will make a huge difference in being able to, for an administrator to feel comfortable reaching out to people. Right now, we have very little feedback about what things people are interested in, and this will actually help us know what people are interested in, or have them give them the ability to tell us that they don't want to receive notifications from us. So this area will grow. Right now, just a very first pass at that of just saying I want to be able to opt out of SMS or email or communicate my preference. On the administrative improvement side, we have a new date picker that makes it a little bit easier to set the date of the campaigns, and we now have hyperlinks, create hyperlinks directly within discussions or comments. Some other exciting progress from the sprint. We had our second customer council meeting where we convened our group of advisors and heard feedback from them that our focus on sales and marketing still should be a priority area. And so that is expected to continue in Q3 and going into Q4. But we also heard some needs around project management progress, just having an administrator be able to understand how the projects across the city are improving, and then be able to maybe communicate that progress to their customer base. We welcomed a new engineer, Tolu, so thank you. We're very glad to have you on the team. And we hired a new customer success manager that will be starting next week. Very excited to have her join as well. In the next sprint, our goal is to increase our weekly active users to 821. We want to launch our Zone Hub. So this is a site that allows a potential business investor to come in and find a special economic zone that they're interested in. There are thousands of special economic zones all around the world, and this will be our first foray into the investor side of a city and helping a business investor choose the city that they want to work with. And then a couple of product areas that we'll be thinking about as well. We want to reduce the number of duplicate records. We've imported data from a lot of different sources, and so just being able to go in and know that we have just one account per user, I think will be very valuable. Right now, we definitely know that there are some areas of improvement. I think this will be an ongoing project over the next few sprints, but we'll start making some progress there. And then there are just some administrative flows that we want to tighten up and make the app just work a little bit more smoothly for administrators of the application. And we'll welcome our new teammate. So that is it for this sprint update. Thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you again in a couple of weeks.